Hey gamers, welcome to my third YouTube video, Pathogenic shotgun build. Enjoy. What's up y'all? This is day 3 of playing Pathogenic. Going for a shotgun build right now. I don't really have much going on, just some level 1 guns, triple attack, overcharge, minion, and I got hella space down below for stuff. See how it goes. And yeah, I realized on my last video that when you're fighting the heart boss, you gotta kill the tentacles that come out, not shoot the boss the whole time. Oh, whoa. Yeah, this may be crazy. Let's try it out. Now we're gonna get rid of the minion. The dodge invulnerability is gonna help for that last boss. Let's get some DNA. Let's re-roll, see what we get. Shoot some multiplying virus. We'll check it out. Oh, this could be nice. I have a thing where I can convert all my weapons to the same weapon. I'm trying to save it till I have full weapons in my inventory though. Oh, yo, those little bugs are crazy. Should I just convert it to the bugs? Everything? Maybe we'll try swapping these two. I wonder if the bugs are gonna spawn the lasers. That would actually be crazy. Oh, they do spawn the lasers. Oh, wow. It's crazy. Max HP. Oh, the minions go crazy with that. I should get the HP, but I can convert every single one to... Minions are pretty good though. I'll take this for now. Dodge cooldown is good. We should have got more stamina, but it's alright for now. Shoots out a melee minion again. Oh, we're going crazy with the minion. How many minions do we shoot out? Uh-oh, it's crazy. This is insane, actually. I wonder if I could shoot out like 7 minions at once if I change all my weapons to the minions. I don't know if I want to use the thing. The minions seem nice. See how it goes. Get him, minions! Okay, that was bad. Yeah, I don't know. Oh, that aren't me. I thought that was for my minion. Okay, W course. This evolution's gonna fuck me up. Let me see, hold on. I like the minions firing the lasers, fuck. I don't know, I think the one we had was pretty good. Because this affects all of them. We could go like that. You see? This affects 3, this affects 5. We could swap it. This affects, let me see, what is this? This affects 4, this affects 5. Yeah, I don't know. I think this is the better thing. We're just gonna keep this. This seems good. We're going crazy right now. Fuck. I'm so slow. Oh, my minions be making me slow. Because I could change all these into the shotgun bin right now. I think the minions are better though. Attacks leave a toxic trail. I don't know if these are gonna leave a toxic trail though. If I convert them all now, I will have, yeah, well, it would be crazy. Oh, I don't know what to do. We're just gonna leave it. We'll test this out for one. Oh, enemy, we need that for the last boss. Oh my god, the minions are going off. That was insane. That was insane, actually. Maybe we try disappear. Let's see what it looks like. And then the minions are going to do the lasers. We'll try it this way for a room. Into the liver. This is a hard level. One of the hardest, I think. Let's see how it goes. Oh, the minions are going crazy. Yeah, I like that a lot. Oh, the lasers. Do the lasers interrupt their shots? That'd be insane. We're looking pretty good. Maybe I want to attack supply burn. You know, that sounds good, but it's not as good as you think. We'll test it out though. Instead of the toxic trail, we'll try the burn. There's a lot of burn damage. Just taking this level slow, I'm not trying to waste any HP. Nice, nice. Look at all my little minions getting in my way. That may fuck me up on the last boss, not gonna lie. We are wrecking this level. too easy almost. Oh wow, that's a crazy evolution. Oh wow, I think we're gonna go for this one. Let me see this. This goes into 5. This goes into 4. This goes into... Yeah, that's crazy. I was just trying to test that out. Should have picked that. No, go back. What is this? Fuck. I didn't know what that did. Guess you're not supposed to touch it. We need to get rid of this. We got so much money, bro. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to set him off. I was just trying to test my shit. That's so fucked. No, please don't end my run here. Fuck that guy. Fucking bitch. Holy shit, this has that much damage? I'm not gonna take it though. I need some fucking booty tentacles. That's what I need. To move faster. Let's go want to get these little HP things I left behind. I took way too much damage on that. It's like the third time I've done that. I activated that dude on accident. Just trying to test out my build. Ridiculous when you don't have melee. Ridiculous. Our damage is really low. We got him still, but the next boss is gonna be rough. I know it is. Kinda wanna do this. Our damage is hella low. Bro, we would blitz through that, but the last boss. We're gonna take it, fuck it. And the explosive thing kind of sucks. I'm not a fan of it. Alright, here we go back to the heart. Failed yesterday. I didn't know the strat though, that's why I failed. I was in that bitch for like 5 minutes. Oh, we're not even in the heart yet. I'm a retard. Still got one more level. We gotta be super safe because we take double damage now. We got so much money, bro. And nothing spawns in here, great. Just my luck. Oh, I need the HP. So I only have half this HP technically. So I take double damage. The heart boss is going to be really hard. Oh, I'm so glad I didn't hit that wall. Minus 2 HP, ridiculous. I chose that though. Oh, we're melting rooms now. Let my minions handle this shit. Get out of my way. I have a feeling these guys are gonna fucking cock block me in their last boss. In fact, I know they are. We're gonna save that for the boss, the white heart. Attack supply burn. Yeah, we'll take this. Cause oh, we'll upgrade it. That's 4 HP down. Yeah, we're not beating the hard boss, I promise you. I was stupid to take the double damage in. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Cancer is spread though, we're not taking that. Oh, we already have this. Can we? I didn't know it was legendary already. Just recycle. Oh, I like this one a lot. The violent arcs is so good. Maybe we'll take this and we'll upgrade one of these. Yeah. No. 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 All right, here we go. Bro, the minions are so helpful. Look at all that DNA, crazy. Projectiles move even slower? No, we need HP. Although I think 1 HP is not going to make a difference, we need 2. I don't know what this icon does. Oh, I didn't see him. I'm retarded. I'm so bad. Me to this bot. 192 cores, bro. I haven't spent a single one this whole game. Insane. I don't need any more cores, bro. Or DNA. These are both useless for me. Oh, we're pretty close, actually. This red thing, last time it hurt me. I don't know if I trust it anymore. Bitch. I don't know if I trust any of these, bro. God damn it. God damn it, bro. Oh my. Okay, I guess it hurts you every time. Retarded, I did not know that. It's pretty good. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, we need one more. I guess it didn't make a difference, the one actually. Oh, we're so low on HP now. It's terrible. Oh, here we are. No, the shop's empty. Fuck, dude. Maybe fucked here. I don't have enough HP, bro. We're fucked. Oh, we beat him. Really? Oh, it's stage 2. I didn't know there was a stage 2 either. One more ahead and we're dead. Oh, we need to get away from those. We need to start doing some damage, otherwise we're fucked. It's too scary, there's too much shit. You dodge into one of these, you're so fucked. Just like that. No, not like this. Oh my god, I just sat there and fucking took it up the ass. Fuck. Oh well. Thanks for watching, y'all. Fuck, I did not know there was a second phase. GG's. Peace, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching my third YouTube video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the content, please like, comment, and subscribe. And there'll be a new video out tomorrow. Thanks. Have a nice day.